Good morning, student. Today we are going to see internal structure of dicot stem. The plant sunflower. Internal structure of dicot stem. The sunflower. The transverse section of dicot stem. Transverse section shows the following structure. Transverse section means TS of dicot stem. First one, epidermis. That first part is epidermis. Cortex. Cortex is divided into hypodermis, middle cortex, inner cortex. Cortex is three parts: hypodermis, middle cortex, inner cortex. The three parts together called cortex. Next, endodermis. Next one, endodermis. Third one, stele. Stele is pericycle and vascular bundle together. Stele. Pericycle and vascular bundle together. Stele. Next, pith. Pericycle, vascular bundle including pith together called stele. Next part, ground plan. Ground plan means direct TS of stem. We cut the stem and see in the microscope without enlargement. That is called ground plan. Epidermis, the same part only we are going to see. Epidermis and epidermal hair, hypodermis, cortex, endodermis, vascular bundle. This part we are going to see enlarged one. Enlarged one. The sector enlarged. First, we are going to see root hair. Outermost layer is called root hair. Cuticle. But this is the stem. How root hair is come? The root hair, slight hair-like structure are present. That is called root hair. Cuticle. Cuticle means waxy layer. It prevents the loss of water. Next, epidermis. This together, outermost layer. Root hair, cuticle, epidermis, together outermost layer, that is called epidermis. Epidermis is the outermost layer. It made up of single parenchyma cells. Single layer of parenchyma cell. Its outer wall is covered with cuticle. Its protection in function. The epidermis function is protection. Epidermis function is protection. Next part, cortex. Cortex, collenchyma. Cortex cells are made up of collenchyma cells. Cortex is made up of collenchyma cells. That is hypodermis. It consists of 3 to 6 layers of collenchyma cells. It gives mechanical support. What is meant by mechanical support? The plant stand erect during natural calamities, wind. Like the natural calamities, the plant stand erect. That is mechanical support. Next one, collerenchyma. Collerenchyma is in green color. See in this picture, white color is collenchyma. Next, green color is collerenchyma. This collerenchyma is cells few layers. It involves in photosynthesis. it is in green color. Due to green color, why it is green color? Due to presence of chloroplast, the Collerenchyma is in green color. It helps the plant to prepare food, that is photosynthesis. Middle cortex, it is made up of few layer of Collerenchyma cells. It involves in photosynthesis due to the presence of chlorophyll. Next, parenchyma. Next cell, parenchyma. Parenchyma is made up of few layer of parenchyma cells. This is inner cortex. Cortex is two types. One is outer cortex, that is still Collerenchyma green color layer. Next white color layer is inner cortex. It is made up of few layer of parenchyma cell. It helps in gaseous exchange and store food materials. This duty is gaseous exchange. Gaseous means oxygen and carbon dioxide, exhale and inhale. Gaseous exchange and store food materials. Next, why the same picture? Why means we cannot explain in the detail there itself. So remaining part we'll going to see here. After inner cortex, next layer slight skin color layer, endodermis. That is endodermis. It is the innermost layer next to cortex, next to inner cortex. It consists of single layer of barrel-shaped cells. Barrel means cylinder-shaped cells. These cells contain starch grains. So it is also called starch sheath. Sheath means layer. This is a single layer cell, barrel-shaped. It contains starch grains. So it is called starch sheath. Next, pericycle. Pericycle is occur between the vascular bundle and endodermis. Next to cortex, endodermis is present, that is that light skin color, pink color. Next to endodermis, in between the vascular bundle, the pericycle is present. The pericycle is present. It is multi-layer parenchymatous cells with alternating patches of sclerenchyma. Next, vascular bundle, phloem, xylem. Phloem and xylem together, vascular bundles are conjoined, collateral, endarch, open. Conjoined means they are present. Xylem and phloem arranged in radial, same line. So collateral. Endarch and open. The cambium is present, so that is endarch open. They arranged in the form of ring around the pith. Next, cambium. Cambium is present, so vascular bundle is open. Pith. The large central parenchymatous zone with intercellular space is called pith. It helps in storage of food material. Thank you, children.